Hi and welcome, Daniela again with a new layout created with our December kits, and I used the papers and the embellishments and also some of the papers from the Pocket Life kit. So this time I wanted to use a pretty color combination. We have this pretty blue in the kit, and then beautiful yellow papers, and I think that these two match together quite well. We can create a stunning effect by combining these colors, and that is what I wanted to do here. So I picked some of the cards from the Pocket Life kit. You can just cut them apart, and I use these to have a few layers behind my picture, and I tear off a little bit of it, and then I have a nice ribbed design here, and then I just place one of those pretty flower elements that we get in the embellishment kit here behind my picture. So all in all, I have a nice cluster here. First of all, I tried different spots, but then I decided to place my picture here on top of the paper background, and now I can have a look at the embellishments. First of all, I have this sticker, and we have some New Year's Eve embellishments in this kit, and I'm going for some of these. And also I wanted to use this pretty little penguin because those are so cute, and we get some puffy stickers here in this shape. And you see that I also have some die cuts, so we get an ephemera pack each month, and there you can just grab your suitable embellishments. And I wanted to have the title in black and white, so we have black alphabet stickers, and the title is Sparkle, and I just added it here next to the picture. And then I also want to use the words or the die cut that I tried before. So this can be a combined title again, and I think that these two match perfectly. And here again we have the yellow in the die cut, so we only see a tiny little bit of the yellow paper, but in my embellishments we have yellow spots reoccurring. So this is a nice way of sticking to a color combination. And the blue paper is like the sky at night, and that is why I wanted to have the biggest part of the paper here in this blue, and to match my topic or my theme, that it is about New Year's Eve. Alright, so I just add some of those glittery stickers. They are really pretty, and here again I go for all the yellow or slightly orange ones, and then I can just take a look at what else I want to add. And we have so many different pretty embellishments, and I really wanted to use this yellow circle chipboard sticker. We have got chipboard frames in the kit, but this time I'm just going for the circle, and also one tiny sticker here with a star, and also those other star elements add up to my picture. And you see that I also want to add some sewing yarn This adds a lot of dimension, and yeah, you can always do this to create a kind of messy style. And then I felt that I need another little element here on the other corner of the picture, so I wanted to add another floral element here. It's just yeah, the branches that we see, and I think that this is a nice way to add more, even more dimension. In the end, I also added a few more details. You see that there are some more stickers, and I also added some handwritten journaling and the date. And that is what my page turned out like. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.